5 common mistakes investors make when investing in mutual funds. So, you've decided to venture into the world of mutual funds. Smart move. But wait, are you making these common mistakes that many mutual fund investors fall prey to? Watch this video till the end. Number 1. Investing without a clear objective. Before putting your money into mutual funds, it's essential to establish clear financial goals. जैसे कि घर खरीदना, बच्चे के लिए एजुकेशन फंड रखना, रिटायरमेंट प्लानिंग और एनी अदर स्पेसिफिक ऑब्जेक्टिव. Having a clear understanding of your financial goals will help you determine the most suitable mutual funds for your needs and time horizon. Number 2. Comparing funds without considering their unique characteristics. Mutual funds बहुत तरीके हैं, सबके अलग strategy, objective and levels हैं. For example, comparing the performance of a small cap fund with that of a large cap fund would be misleading, as these funds target different segments of the market. It's essential to evaluate funds within their respective categories and consider factors such as investment strategy, expense ratios, and fund managers' expertise. Number 3. Choosing funds without assessing your own risk profile. आप कितना रिस्क ले सकते हैं ये बहुत ज्यादा मैटर करता है म्यूचुअल फंड्स में इन्वेस्ट करने के लिए. If you have a low tolerance for risk and are investing for the long term, you may opt for conservative funds with higher allocation to bonds and other fixed income securities. On the other hand, if you have a higher risk tolerance and are seeking greater potential returns, you may consider equity funds with a more aggressive investment approach. Number 4. Not conducting a thorough research on mutual funds. म्यूचुअल फंड्स में इन्वेस्ट करना उतना आसान नहीं जितना सोचने में या सुनने में लगता है. उसके लिए एक अच्छी रिसर्च जरूरत है. आपको एज एन इन्वेस्टर जरूर एनालाइज करना चाहिए वेरियस फैक्टर्स such as a track record of the fund house, investment strategy, expense ratio, turnover rate, and risk-adjusted returns. Additionally, understanding the fund's benchmark and comparing its performance against similar funds can provide valuable insights into its relative performance and potential for the future. Number 5. Imitating other investors' strategy. While it can be tempting to replicate the investment strategy of successful investors, it's crucial to remember what works for one investor may not necessarily work for another. Each investor has unique financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment preferences. Therefore, it's essential to tailor your investment decisions to align with your own objectives and risk appetite rather than blindly following the crowd. By avoiding these common mistakes and taking a more informed and personalized approach to mutual fund investing, आपके चांस बढ़ जाती है फाइनेंशियल गोल्स सिक्योर रखने के लिए एंड एक अच्छा वेल्थ क्रिएट करने के लिए. होप दिस वीडियो वाज हेल्पफुल. If you have any questions related to mutual funds, drop them in the comment section below and we'll have it answered. Lastly, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and watch more such videos.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.